So once again, I'm going to close the Petri dish. And now I close number 3. I'm going to look for number 4 here, which is my torsos. And we're going to start actually selecting and pasting things down. So the first tool that we're going to use is the magic wand tool. It's right under here. If you've just opened up Photoshop for the first time, it's going to look like a little paintbrush with a circle around it. We want to click on that and hold. The magic wand is underneath that. It looks kind of like a magic wand. Once again, if you hold down Shift plus the modifier, for this it's W for wand, you can see it goes through that. And you can see that the magic wand is the oldest tool. That is why the W is used, W for wand. And then you can select any of these that you want. I think I'll select kind of the Sailor Moon. You can see that it automatically selects everything around it. The way the magic wand tool works is it basically selects things that are within a certain color and contrast, and when it gets to a point where it's not the same color, for instance here it's kind of black and white, it stops, so it'll keep expanding forward. Here, everything that's blue up to a point and it stops. Command Z to undo that, and I'm going to copy with Command C down here and Command V. Once again, pressing that V key to allow me to move this and get it kind of lined up. All right, we're going to close that. So once again, coming back up to here, torsos, and clicking off.